Hey, what's up, Anchor holders? So, Anchor going up or going fails? Absolutely, the one big question of our holder. So, I told you in this video, this is the live price prediction of Anchor to what's going on next. Absolutely, in upcoming days, they're going down or they're going fall. So, before I get started this brand video, I request you, my brother, please subscribe every stick channel. If you need this type more informative videos, then please click out. I guide you in every critical situation. This time, if you can see here, the Anchor falls down, and the last 1 hour you can see here minus 1.09% they fails down, my brother. What's going on next? Our question, our answer is that I answering you in this video, but keep watch, don't skip any second, otherwise you cannot understand what I tell you to Anchor going up or Anchor going down. So absolutely, this time you can see here the latest price as 0.17738 US dollar. My friends, you can see here in the graph result, can you see here they going upward? Absolutely, but they take a very badly falls down, and I think 1.6%, 1.09% they're going down. But if you can see here in the graph result, they starting moving upward again. Absolutely, I have 3 year experience, and I know this in a crypto market to when any cryptocurrencies very badly fails down, then absolutely after a fails they take a very high jump. This is a major tips. If you follow this, absolutely you understand this in a crypto market. I hope you cannot lose any time any cryptocurrencies. Absolutely you cannot lose. So my brother, you just know this point to which time they starting jumping off. So if you know this point, then absolutely you cannot lose. They make you millionaire. This tip is very useful, so hope you follow it. And any crypto market, any crypto currency, you can see here, my friends, they are very gone very fastly, very fastly. So please hope you understand, my friends, today going upward in upcoming time. Anchor also one of the fastest cryptocurrency, so don't ignore my words. Please remember today going up in upcoming 10. If you can see here, they're totally going upward, moving upward only straight. So please buy it, hold it, and wait for the end of this month or wait for more days. Then I hope they make you millionaire. They give you a very good price, and they are give you a very good profit. So thanks for watching, hope you understand, my friend. If you agree with me, then please like this video and subscribe our YouTube channel for latest updates and news of all cryptocurrencies. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.